Welcome back, my friends. Today's episode is a good one because we're going to be talking about how to make an acrylic calendar for your homeschool room. Now, if you don't have a homeschool room, that's okay. Our main goal is to have that acrylic calendar not only be organizational tool for your home, but also to blend into your home decor. So we have 4 tips for you, so let's get started. For home improvement advice, where we help you save more so that you can do more in your home, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so that you don't miss any of the episodes that we deliver every week. Okay, my friends, so we're going to get started on how to make an acrylic calendar for your homeschool room. Now, I know it's September. We're doing this video in September, and many of you have already started in your classroom and in your organizational systems that you have going on, but you may have realized that an extra calendar to help your kiddos know what's going on or what our meals are, and actually, if you click below, I have a free download for you, or if you go on over to my website, you can get that free download that can help you of all the things that you can put on your acrylic calendar, because that's my goal, is to encourage you that you can do this in the homeschool world or just be organized a little bit more. And it's also very nice to have a calendar that makes your home look beautiful and organized. So I have 4 tips that we're going to do to get that acrylic calendar up and on your wall in a quick amount of time. Okay, the first thing that I want you to do is decide how big of an acrylic calendar can fit on your wall in your homeschool room, or if you're doing this just in your home, what hallway, what wall, what is the dimension of the acrylic calendar going to be. And then you can go out to your local hardware store, or you might want to reverse engineer this and go out to your hardware store and see how much the acrylic is going to be, and then see which area that can fit into your room. So there are various sizes of height and length, or height and width, that you can buy. There's also a various amount of thickness that you can do. If we're trying to do this as a budget friendly, you can go out and anywhere between $20 to $30 you can get a piece of acrylic that you can put onto your wall in order to help you with your calendar. Okay, after you've decided how big the acrylic calendar is going to be, the acrylic piece that you got, you're going to determine what layout works best for your family. I have seen all sorts of ways. You can either do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or you can start with a Sunday and end with a Saturday. You can do it where it is landscaped, or you can do it where it is portrait. Whatever is going to fit for you and your family. You also want to include, if you're going to have the months of the year, where would they be? Are they going to be on the outlying part of the calendar? Are they going to be incorporated where you just write them in per month? But decide on your layout. I strongly suggest writing it out, and then we're going to go to step 3, which is designing it. Step 3 is where we're going to pull in the organization that you just did with the layout that works for your family, and also your home decor, colors, ideas, themes, whatever it is that's going to blend it into your homeschool room as well as the rest of your home decor. So once you have that layout done, how are you going to put that layout on your acrylic calendar? You can use your Cricut or your Silhouette and just go to town, and I have detailed SVG files and things that I have in that course that I told you below if you're interested in that. But if you're not and you just want something simple, that's fine. You could use stickers from any one of your local stores that sell stickers, that it would be the month of the year or the days of the week. That could be so simple. You stick it on, and then you've got your calendar that looks good for your home. You could use painter's tape. There's many various colors as well as sizes. You could grid your calendar up, have it on the wall. You could use decorative washi tape, which I love this idea because I really think it could customize to your homeschool kiddo, or homeschool junior high or high school, or whatever their interests may be. There's so many different types of washi tapes that are out there that you could use to make your grids. And the last one is permanent marker. Permanent marker has so many varieties of the type of tip that they have that can help you with your writing style if you want to pull that into your home decor, or also the colors. There are so many different colors you can buy in a little packet. So those are my suggestions for 3, is after you have that layout, what you can put on your acrylic calendar so we can have that calendar up and going so that you can get ready for your homeschool room. So the last thing that we can do in order to make your acrylic calendar for your homeschool room, or just to put one into your home, is what you're going to do to put it on the wall. Now, if you need a refresher course, we have one available up here where you can click on how to hang your acrylic calendar if you just need like that little reminder of what the steps are. But what I wanted to make sure is that your acrylic calendar hardware matches your homeschool room. If you're going for cute and delicate, or if you're going for sophisticated, whatever that may be, if in your homeschool room, also with your home decor, you have some variety in order to do as far as your hardware. So I want to add a tip right here for how to make your acrylic calendar fit your homeschool room. As an educator of 25 years, 15 years in the public school and now 10 years within my own home with my own children, I have found that no matter what age the student, no matter what kind of student, when they have a vested interest in what their surroundings are, they tend to pay a little bit more attention. So at this juncture, if you need a field trip Friday where you've just had enough and you need some help as far as putting that acrylic calendar on the wall, get your homeschooler to help you. My son is in 6th grade and he loves to he actually likes to do the drill or whatever it is that we're doing. See if there's a portion of this that you can get your kids involved with to help them. One, they're going to help you with your acrylic calendar, and then two, they're going to be a little bit more aware of what's on that calendar once it's over because they helped make it. We are so glad that you joined us today for this how to make an acrylic calendar for your homeschool room, or for those of you who aren't homeschooling, just for your home decor to match your organizational needs. But we want to make sure that you get that free checklist that we talked about. So in the description below, you can go over and get that at pinktoolgirl.com. Just apply for our email list or to sign up for our email list, and we'll send that over to you. Also, if you want more in-depth tutorial for how to build an acrylic calendar in your home, we have a mini tutorial also in the description below. So until next week, have a great one.